Hello and welcome to the Phoenix Contact meets Handwerk Day at the Schürkow Arena in Bielefeld. This forum offers installers from the region the opportunity to get up to date on the topic of building installation. And we are also here to have a look at what's new from Phoenix Contact. Hi Jens.
Hi, good to see you.
Good to see you as well. Jens, you give an insight into the topic of tools. You've prepared a lot of tools as I can see. But which are the 3 tools that every installer always should have at hand?
Okay. We have a wide range of tools you see here, yes, but I would say it's a stripping tool.
Okay.
That's our Wirefox range. A stripping tool is to strip the wire, and in parallel it has a cutter in the lower part to cut the wire. Okay. The next thing is to attach the ferrule to the wire, and then a crimping tool is essential to do the crimping process. And this one is quite special. It has a wide range of cross-section from 0.14 up to 16 square, okay. And you can turn it to reach narrow areas. And therewith it's quite easy to perform a crimp. And then for sure the third tool, I would say it's a screwdriver.
Okay. So let's move on to our next station. Let's visit André. Without the right connection technology, it does not run in the installation distributor. Hi André, nice meeting you.
Hello Sascha.
André, which terminal block can you not do without? Tell me.
My favorite is the new XT terminal block series from Phoenix Contact with the new Push-X connection technology.
Okay, keyword connection technology. What should installers rely on here?
This is the first connection technology for every wire you want. You can use a wire with ferrule or without a ferrule, so it's very easy and understandable. Do you want to try?
Of course.
Here.
So let's see how easy it is. Just put in here.
Yes, right.
Click.
That's it. Very fast and reliable.
Wow, so that's how it should be, how it should work. André, thank you very much. So the field of regenerative energy is also becoming increasingly important for residential buildings. Let's have a look what Phoenix Contact can offer us here. Come along. Getting your own electricity directly from the roof is a great option, especially in times of rising energy prices. Hi Mark.
Hi, Sascha.
Nice meeting you. Mark, what does Phoenix Contact offer to realize a PV system professionally?
Well, Sascha, we offer a wide range of products and solutions for the PV market. Starting from our terminal blocks and PV connectors, we offer also data management system and energy management system. But I want to point out 2 highlight solutions, starting from our PCU, our power control unit for feed management, and also our string combiner boxes for overvoltage protection.
Okay, talking about overvoltage protection, why is it so important? And how can I optimally protect my system?
It is necessary to use string combiner boxes to ideally protect the whole PV system from overvoltage and lightning strikes. Our turnkey string combiner boxes, which can be connected immediately, are reliable system solutions to protect the inverter from AC and DC overvoltages.
Mark, thanks for your information. But the right surge protection is not only important for PV systems. Let's move on to the next station. Hey, Cord.
Hi, Sascha.
Hi. Mark has just told me how important surge protection is for my building installation. Can you tell me what kind of products do I need to be optimally protected?
Yes, that's a good question. So for a normal residential building, type 2 arrestor built in the main switchboard, as shown here, is sufficient.
Okay.
So if you have a building with an outside lightning protection system or an overhead power supply, you should use a type 1 arrestor, as shown here. This one you can put directly on the power busbar system of the switch cabinet, or we have also a small powerful DIN rail mountable solution like our FLT MB. So, and if you have sensitive devices which are more than 10 meters away from the main distribution board, you should use a type 3 arrestor. So what you can use and what is mandatory, you will find in your local standards.
Perfect. So, Cord, I feel best protected. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So, I will still use the forum now to inform myself about the topic of building installation and, of course, to exchange ideas with the experts. If you want to learn more, visit us at phoenixcontact.com/completeline.